What is bad about the B1? The long air B1 40-watt laser, which we have over here. Now, this particular laser was given to me by Long Air for the purpose of a review. And there are a few things about it that I'm not particularly happy about. And there are things that Longer could address and make changes relatively easily, quite frankly. One is I would like to see adjustable feet here. So you can actually raise and lower. As you can see, I've currently got it on blocks. And then when you do that, the screws here, which lock the actual laser head's height when you're setting up the focus, using the little focusing guide on the side here. The problem I have is it's missing up the top here, okay? It's not engaging with the actual dovetail slide. But also, it's really hard, because it's so close to the actual rail, to actually tighten this up, to lock the actual laser module in place. So I don't like that. Another thing is, because I use this particular laser for doing video and what have you, and I like to see the beam do the burning, yeah, when I'm doing my video. This shroud is fixed, okay? This shield here is all fixed. It also had a shield in here, a glass shield in there, which I took out, just so I can just see the beam. Not with my eyes, but with a camera. And it makes it, had to put it a little bit clumsy, and it's not great. I don't like that. Whereas you see on the algo laser I've got on the wall up there, the shroud is held on with magnets, so you can just remove it. It's really handy. If you want to use it for doing video and what have you, you can see the laser in full. In fact, I might end up making some adaptations to that myself. I might end up cutting that out around there neatly and try and make a good job of it, obviously, just so I can see the actual laser. Now, you don't need a shield. If you're wearing them glasses, you know, as you should be, you know, the green glasses, well then, why do you need the shield on there? I suppose it's for other people, but, you know, I'm in here on my own, so it's not really a big issue. Now, there is another problem that I think is a bit silly, and it is this. Can you see this little bit of plastic? All right, I got on top of there. It's actually a Microscope Lens, one of the little boxes lens comes in. Now, the problem with this, all right, is you shut off, okay? So you knock it with your elbow. So when you're trying to adjust this, even though it's not running, you adjust it, or what have you, you've got everything ready to go, but you're just adjusting the focusing on your actual laser module. Because of distance from there to there kind of thing, I keep knocking it with my elbow, and it briefly turns it off. You just got to touch it gently, and it kind of, and then you got to start again. Because when you're using a laser on my machine, I'm using laser gerbil. Even when I'm using light bulb, I have to start all over because it won't see the laser, won't reconnect to it without actually turning this off and on, and same with the software, off and on, and then starting again. Not off and on this because you already have done, you see, but then turn the software off and on. But it means you've got to load all your imaging, your actual design that to cut. So I'd like to see adjustable feet, so you can adjust the height easily. I'd like to see this shroud removable easily, probably magnets like the algo laser. And I would like to see this in a better position. I see the point of it. It'd be better if it's on the front actually instead of on top, because at the moment I'm hitting that with my elbow. And then this really needs to be sorted out, because this is not very good at all. And also I've had one situation where it's actually slid down and then jammed, and obviously this going to be shut down basically. So anyway, they are the 4 things that I'm not happy with so far about the Longer B1 40-watt laser. Now, is it a deal breaker? No. No. Because the machine itself is very capable, and it's quiet, it's well designed in many ways. It's just the 4 things that I would like to see Longer improve on it. Now, some of them things might be things that are personal to me. Might not bother some people. Maybe some people are more careful with their elbows so they don't knock that little button on the corner there, like I keep doing. But but it's just one of them things, Or some kind of, I don't know, some like button cover or something. Like I'll put a temporary thing on there. Yeah, it might be like there. But it needs something. I think it needs something anyway. Maybe you've got the longer B1 40-watt laser or another laser. Why don't you leave your little gripes and grinds in the comments down below? Don't have to be a long hair, no. Anyway, don't forget to hit the like button, maybe subscribe to the channel, a little bit like, because then you get all those videos in your pocket every time I upload another video. But for now, toodaloo. Where's my button? Can't find my button.